Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a flat 16x16 plot with clear sky so growth isn't blocked. Once chosen, collect pumpkins, observers, pistons, redstone dust, repeaters, hoppers, and chests. These are the automation core. Prepare tilled soil rows and place water every 4 blocks. Make sure crops can reach light. Begin planting pumpkin stems spaced 1 block apart so each has an adjacent empty spot for fruit. You're acting now. Place the first row of stems to lock layout and test spacing. Once the stems are planted, install observers directly aimed at the adjacent output blocks so they trigger on block updates. Connect each observer to a piston using short redstone lines and a repeater to ensure a clean 1-tick pulse. This avoids double pushing and item duplication. Make the pistons push pumpkins into a collection trench, then run hoppers under the trench into chests. You'll want to test a single cell by forcing growth with bone meal to confirm timing and adjust repeater delay if needed. You finish by converting pumpkins into pies. Manually craft pumpkin plus sugar plus egg, or automate using dispensers/hopper-fed crafting in mods or data packs. Once built, monitor the farm and fix common issues. Replace observers that face the wrong block, clear clogged hoppers, and reset repeaters if pulses misfire. If growth is slow, add bone meal supply or improve lighting. Make sure you have steady egg and sugar sources. Once everything flows, you'll have constant pumpkin pie output and a reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.